Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Just May, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this on your social media. And please don't forget to smash the bell button to get notified. Yes, and today's video is about how to steam bangus or how to steam milkfish. Yes, and if you're into seafood, then this recipe might be for you. But if there are some ingredients that don't match with your diet, then just choose which one is best for you. Yes, and here are the ingredients for this recipe. In this recipe, the first ingredient that we need is green onion sauce. So here's how to make green onion sauce with 4 simple ingredients. First is 1/4 cup ginger, chopped very finely, and 1/2 cup of green onion, finely chopped. And now this is optional. The butter, 2 tablespoons of butter divided. Save the other for later use. Don't worry if butter is not available in your pantry, you can use margarine. Anyway, butter is optional. And 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Note, please do not use olive oil in making green onion sauce because olive oil has its distinct flavor that might overpower the taste. Get the pan nice and hot. In a heated pan, add in 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. Wait until butter gets melted. Now it's time to add the ginger and check occasionally to avoid overcooking. For watching, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and smash the bell button to get notified. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to share this on your social media. Thank you!